Remind me of Bugs the Bunny. Them broken and have no money. Only set a mouth like monkeys. Chat 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 like a car donkey. Say me unpredictable, so say me invincible. Spiritual not biblical. Man of every principle. Me thought I have
reaction.
What's good YouTube? It's your boy Tyrekevlogs, aka the reaction boss, and the back in for another video for you guys. Right now we're going back to Grenada. We're going to have an order for you today. I know it's shop already, but the orders on this channel, Tyrekevlogs Reacts, and then music videos and Tyrekevlogs. But today we have a song called Tongue Twister. Part 1, it's a bonus track, so it's off of the album. People, we're here with Senorita Kim. Remember, I keep you with the Caribbean trap sound, you know. Remember that, you know. Check out our first song, people. Talk to me nice, I'm gonna react for a long time. You see me, I say, I'm going to see what I go on still. Big up JBStudio, is what I said. Big up Benjiie, you don't know a chap, Benjiie, Tongue Twister Part 1 featuring Kim. So Kim is actually featured on this track. We're going to see what's happening right now. Kim's rare, we say Cartel Tears just right there, so. Trouble. Leave a like, leave a comment, leave a subscribe. And if you don't know if you already, the 5 emojis them, golden rule. Go on! Retro!
JB made this beat.
Hit them with the copper. Hit them with.
Hold on, Paul, before we start, I'm telling you, Caribbean trap songs. So, see, for the first time, I'm introducing you to something new. Something very, very, very new right now. You understand me? Talk to them now! Hit them with a chopper.
Copper, everybody start to scatter. It don't matter who your father, sister, brother, or your mother. Me head hot, so it don't matter. My eye red like my banana. Respect still if you are crippa. Big up all them dance and divas. Big up all them dance and divas like my wife, Dan and Lisa. I read diva, Mona Lisa. Traveling high without a visa. Well, banging like I am visa. You missing, but we not miss.
Everybody, everything good day. Look, you know. Big up all them dance and divas. Like my wife Dan. You see what I go and say? Annalisa, my wife Annalisa Dan. You see me I say? A rare diva, Mona Lisa. Oh my gosh. Traveling high without a visa. Bumbuckle, simple me. Yo, real bangs. Like a Giza. Oh! Someone heard to a song. What is his name? Giza Bar? I don't remember a song called Giza. And you missing. But we now miss you. Oh! God!
Just cemetery, never see you know with this I catch you over. Yeah. Them it idiot, the piece funny. Remind me of Bugs the Bunny. Them broken and have no money. Only set a mouth like monkeys. Chat 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 like a car donkey. Say me unpredictable, so say me invincible. Spiritual not biblical. Man of every principle. Me thought I have visible. I show you off the pinnacle.
The rhymes, the flow, look, everything with E on the side. Look on the side. Look on the side. See me. Taboo, yo. Straight me invisible, yo, spiritually non-biblical. Oh my gosh, go on!
Yeah, feel broken like a syllable, it's a real life, now no digital, no hospital, it critical, body break down like a mineral. Not even a funeral, your bad mind like an imbecile. Stressing me a miracle, even hit me need a clinical checkup. Make you see the light like a vehicle, now rev up. Nobody call for God, cause you know you're not get up face, blood up, please, clean up like a laptop, just back up easily, the money make. And I get up face, blood up, please, clean up like a laptop, just back up easily, the money make. And it's happy just stop. Up so much green rocks like the OG push me. I burn up loud, burn up from sun up. It I run up and I turn up like they all look like we eat up and I done up and I lift up and no KFC. I feed Josh him recipe, better than a felony. Hit them with the copper, everybody starts to scatter. It don't matter who your father, sister, brother, or your mother.
Oh, please don't eat mission time right now if you are fucking with this so far. This is something new to me right now. I can see me as I get on the Caribbean trap. And once again I wake up to JBStudio. However, this song is available every single year. So links down below in the description everywhere you can find this and go check them out for yourself. You see me? Let me show the reaction by sending it over there. So anyway, your girls to this comment some fire emojis. Let's go comment some fire emojis. Go on!
Down my eye red like my banana. Respect still if you are crippa. Big up all them dance and divas. Big up all them dance and divas like my wife Dan and Lisa. I read diva, Mona Lisa. Traveling high without a visa. Well, banging like I am visa. You missing but we not miss. Cemetery, never see you know with this I catch you over.
Busting it down, holding it down, crushing it down, ripping it down, beating it down, drop to the ground. Say we doing a clown, yeah, you know we have the crown. Enemies are us, we don't.
Come here.
busting it down, holding it down, crushing it down, ripping it down, beating it down, drop to the ground. Say we doing a clone, yeah, you know we have the crown. Enemies are us, we don't. Catch them peeping around, kill them with a single round. Them a watch and we and take we start us, we fabricate no once. If you play a cutting style, we amputate your feet alone. Some of them are freestyle, can record a single tune. Imitating nice lifestyle, none of it a true. Run him down, hold him down, beating him down, tie him down. Say me and Benjiie.
Let me get it now. Running him down, holding him down, beating him down, tying him down. Oh my gosh, go on. That's the way she say it, but I cannot say it like her, but go on.
In the tongue, yeah, we busting it down. Yeah, you know it's a tongue. Twister speeding on the edge like a drifter. Too much car and get a meter. It's so bad we need a resistor. Hook us up to Evo meter. Say me hot your ears like a bus teeter. Switching so much gears, you can call me Mama Sita. You could run, bring your daddy, me not care what him say. You could run, tell me mommy, me not care what you say. Man, I see me Grammy. We have to invade your place, yeah, we rob your granny. And I spit in your face.
You could run to your daddy, me not care what you say. You could run, tell me mommy, me not care what you say. Man, I steal me, grimy. We have to invade your place. Yeah, we rob your granny. Bumbo clean dog! We have to invade your place. Yeah, we rob your granny. You know about Kim? I'm going to say something about my Hey, granny. I know we have a little one strap in the house, and I'm like, one the strap, the still me. I want a life saving so at the same time. And I don't know. Go on!
Hit them with the copper, everybody start to scatter. It no matter who your father, sister, brother, or your mother. Me head back, so it no matter. My eye red like my banana. Respect still if you are crippa. Big up all them lads and leavers. Big up all them lads and leavers. Like my wife and Annalisa. Already but Mona Lisa. Traveling high without a visa. Well banging like I am visa. You missing but we not miss your cemetery. Never see you know with this like a Jehovah.
Yeah. Kim's World, I don't know chap. I think that's what the album is called. It's a message. So check out Kim. I don't know chap. And I'm going to play the next one more song. JBStudio. Big up JBStudio. Let's play that one. Boss it. Boss it.
Yo, JB.
Fuck it up now, Kim.
Say we boss it, boss it, we are boss it. Yeah, we boss it, we are boss it. Say we boss it, we are boss it.
Alright.
Yeah, we boss it.
Alright.
Call me murder mommy, yeah, that one come straight from bossy. So me put it in a bossy. People making fuss and cussing. Tell them they could paint me picture. Read me like a holy scripture. Sip me like they sip on liquor. Worship me, I must be Buddha. JB bossy speakers going louder than a Judah system. We going bigger than integumentary system. Bossing up the place. Say they could paint me picture. Read me like a holy scripture. Sip me like they sip on liquor. Worship me, I must be Buddha. JB bossy speakers going louder than a Judah system. We going bigger than integumentary system. Bossing up the place. Say we
people, when you go check out the song them for yourself, we check out the album for yourself. You see me I say album called Kim's World, you me? You don't know a chap, you can find every single way dog. Go check it out. Go check it out. Kim's World album. When you know about all of that, the reaction boss signing out. Link down below to every single thing when you want. My mom telling me that. Bumbo clap. I just cut myself. But my skin all up on the blood clot. Anyways, peace out.